If you watched my video on the Sonic Testnet part 2 to get the airdrop and have played these arcade games, you most likely encountered this error, or at least some of you did if you have been using Metamask. And I got some messages of people asking me how to fix exactly this. And since I know that the demand is there, that people need an answer to this, I want to make this very, very quick guide to do that. Fixing it is actually pretty easy. The only thing you need to do, you go to your MetaMask extension, you press the 3 dots on the upper right corner to get the menu, and you pick expand view. And when you are in expansion, in this expanded view, you just navigate from general, where you start, to experimental. There you turn off improved signatures. And if you did the improved signature request, if you turned that off, you will see that it works in many cases. I mean, it still is somewhat buggy, but it works in many cases. I hope this was helpful to you, and I wish you a wonderful rest of the day. Stay tuned for more videos, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a like if you wanted that more people see this helpful advice here. All the best, your Alex.